There are some animals that deserve no sympathy, like pigeons, rats, and people who drive slow in the fast lane. So today, we're gonna talk about AI versus pigeons. So back in November of 2021, a group from the Swiss Federal Institute of Technology released a paper called Autonomous Detection and Deterrent of Pigeons on Buildings by Drones. Detection and deterrence? Yeah. So using AI to detect the pigeons and then using a deterrent to basically prevent the birds from pooping all over your stuff.
And what's the deterrent?
The drone is the deterrent. So if you have kids, or you remember being a kid, you know how much fun they have running through a flock of pigeons and making them fly away. That's basically what the drone is doing. And the proposed system uses object detection to...
What's object detection?
So object detection is an AI technique that is used to detect objects in an image.
Hey man, you're gonna have to go more layman's than that.
Okay, think of it this way. Say we have a picture of a pigeon and a picture of a rat. An actual picture of a rat. When a computer learns how to distinguish between the picture of a pigeon and the picture of a rat, we call that image classification. Now this can work for any object. And object detection takes that one step further, so that the computer can now figure out where the object exists in the image.
Okay, so how does object detection fit into this futuristic scarecrow system?
Right. So the team at EPFL installed a pan-tilt-zoom camera on the roof of their building, and then processed those images using an object detection model that was fine-tuned to...
Fine-tuned?
So fine-tuning is the process of taking a model that was trained on a large generic set of objects, and then using that learned progress to train it on a specific object or set of objects. In this case, pigeons.
Okay, yeah. Kind of like taking what you learned in driver's ed, applying it to your highway driving, and not being one of those douchebags that blocks everyone in the fast lane.
Sure. So once a flock of pigeons have been detected, the computer calculates the approximate GPS coordinates of the flock based on the size of the detected pigeons, and then sends the drone to...
Attack!
No. So the paper actually emphasizes the humane approach to deterring the pigeons. Flying the drone at the birds, but keeping a certain distance to avoid injuring them.
Yeah, but I mean, who's gonna miss a couple of dead pigeons? What they should have done was attach the BB gun.
Okay, and we're not going down that path. So this project is actually pretty straightforward to build, given that the technology and the components are readily available. Now, if this is a project that interests you, but it doesn't seem that straightforward to build, what would help is getting experience building your own computer vision projects.
Check out our website, get some ideas based on the projects that we built, and then get started on your own project now.
See? I told you this week's video would be easy.
Yeah, I mean, all I did was ask you questions. Actually, you know what would be easy? Passing a slow dude on the right, then getting back into the fast lane, and then slamming on the